In today's video, I am going to teach you how to verify domains on Brevo. Domain verification is an important setup step because it helps Brevo confirm you own the domain you want to send emails from. It also improves deliverability since the verification records you add to DNS support email authentication and reduce the chance that messages are flagged as suspicious. To begin, log into your Brevo account and look to the top right corner of the page. Click your account name to open the account menu. From that menu, select the settings option labeled Senders, Domains, IPs. This is where Brevo manages the sending identities connected to your account. Once you are in that settings area, find and click the Domains tab. This section shows any domains that are already connected, and it is also where you can add a new one. Next, click Add a Domain to start the verification process. You will now see a field where you can enter your domain name. Type in the domain you want to verify, making sure it is spelled correctly and matches the domain you plan to use for sending. Then click Save. After saving, Brevo will generate the DNS records you need for verification and authentication. At this point, you will copy two types of records provided by Brevo: the TXT record labeled Brevo code and the DKIM record. Take your time here and copy each value carefully, since even a small mistake can prevent verification from completing. Now open your domain registrar or DNS provider and go to the DNS settings for that same domain. Paste the TXT Brevo code record into your DNS as a TXT entry and paste the DKIM record exactly as shown into the appropriate record type your provider uses for DKIM. Make sure you paste into the correct fields and save your changes in your DNS panel. After you add the records, it may take some time for DNS changes to propagate. If verification does not appear immediately, wait a bit and check again later. That covers everything you need to know.